We have been using spreadsheets throughout the financial and management accounting units. So by now, you should be comfortable using workbooks and applying your accounting skills in this format. When designing spreadsheets, you are expected to be able to identify customer requirements, including deadlines. In your assessment, this means that you must carefully follow the instructions provided and finish within the time allowed. At times, in the workplace and in the assessment, you will be expected to use templates. At other times, you will be expected to take a blank worksheet and present the required information in a way that makes it easy to read and understand. When doing this, it is important to ensure that you fully understand the instructions that you have been given and follow them carefully. In the workplace, you will often find that clients or managers want information presented in a specific way. Most companies employ a house-style format, where specific shades of colour must be used, and data must be presented in a uniform way. For example, it may be expected that all figures are shown to 2 decimal places, or none. Negative numbers may be shown in red, with a minus sign, using brackets, or by combining 2 of these 3 formats. Your assessment will test your ability to work in house style by specifying how information is to be shown. As part of your assessment criteria, you are expected to be able to save files in line with local conventions. This means that you have to be able to save a file using a given name or layout. In your assessment, you will be told what to call your files, so make sure you follow that instruction carefully. Some of the skills on the AAT list are appropriate for large sets of data. Other functions, such as find and replace, can be used on a small set of data. However, you may find it easier to simply look for the relevant information and replace it manually. If you are comfortable using find and replace, then it is quicker and more accurate than manually looking. However, if you are not sure how to do it and have to spend time figuring out how to find and replace, you will be tempted to work manually. There are 2 problems with working manually. 1, the skills that you are not using may be required at work, so you are better off knowing how to use them comfortably. And 2, the exam is very tight for time, so being able to use these functions quickly will make you more efficient and more accurate, and therefore increase your ability to finish the assessment and gain maximum marks. In particular, in this lesson, we are going to learn about importing data to Excel from another file. It appears that during the exam, some students are manually entering the data so that it looks like they have imported it. The 2 problems with this are the time that it takes and the risk of typing errors creeping in. Other skills that we are going to learn in the next couple of lessons are sometimes circumvented by students who try to enter figures where they should use Excel functions. Assessors who have marked spreadsheet papers for previous AAT qualifications will tell you that they can often see when students have not properly completed the task, simply by looking at the formulae in the cells. Spend the time that we have between now and your exam making sure that you are fully conversant with all the skills required. Have a go at the questions below before moving on to the next video.